Alright, to make this video different, I put on a different lipstick. The eyeshadows are the same. So, I apologize, but this is the only way I could get these videos done. Because like I said, I am so far behind on filming. Okay, so hi everyone, I am the Makeup Jeannie, and this is my July Lookfantastic, and oh great, now I just spread lipstick all over. I spilled a huge glass of tea before I started filming tonight, and I'm trying to get the sticky tea off because it was sweet tea, which is bad for me. But tea went, and I just almost spilled it all again. My tea went everywhere. Silicone straw. Don't know the brand, but it's a silicone straw. If anybody out there, hint Jeffree Star, thinks I need a better straw, please send me some. I will send you my address. Plus you have it in your file already because I buy from you. Alright, this is my Lookfantastic, and inside the lid there's always a quote, and I love telling y'all that. It says, the mind is like water. When it is calm, everything becomes clear. That is so true. And right now, nothing is clear because my mind is not calm. Okay, inside, this is not good here because this is a British store, but there's a coupon in there for some stuff. Okay, Lookfantastic, if you know, it's one of my favorite boxes. It always comes with a nice little booklet that tells about the products, and August sneak peek is a Luxie brush 737 tapered highlighter brush. Says it's worth a $26 value. £26.50 is what it is. And it always comes with the British, because this comes from Britain, this is the British Elle magazine. Full magazine, it's just in a tiny size because it's, you know, it has to fit in the box. And I love it because I think it's so cute. I don't really want to put that down there because that desk is wet. Okay, and if you could tell, I haven't opened it yet. My seal is still sealed, so we're going to open that. Oh, this box always smells so good every time, too. Oh my goodness. All right, we have a, well, this is exciting because I made the comment already that I didn't have great makeup remover, although in here is probably not where I'm sure I need to be by a sink to use this, but this is the, did I just go right past it already? See, I told y'all my mind is not clear. Calm down. Calm down. Alright, where in the heck is it? Oh, it's because I have pages sticking together. Duh. Okay, this is the Glow On The Go Hydro Cleanser. It's $11.90. It's pounds, and I haven't equated, probably around 15 bucks, I would say, US. Maybe even a little higher, but yeah, makeup remover, all skin types. It is a glove. Effortlessly cleanse skin without a cleanser with the Glove On The Go cleansing glove. Utilizing micro technology, this cleansing glove contains star-shaped fibers up to 30 times thinner than a cotton pad, boosting antibacterial electrostatic properties that absorb makeup and dirt like a magnet. So that is cool. Who doesn't love a good makeup remover? You know, I need that. Okay. This next item is pretty exciting. I don't know, I licked my finger there, but you know. Okay, this is the Gold Eye Vita Masks Gold Eye Pads. These are worth £5.99. £5.99. 6 pounds. We might as well just call it 6 pounds. It's just minus 1. Okay. So again, this is probably, I'm going to say an $8 or $9 value here. This is a Korean face mask. It says, designed to plump and depuff tired under eyes. I need that. Somebody look how, see them puffy bags. Okay. This hydrates and cools your skin, made with real gold extract to brighten, and hyaluronic acid to plump and firm. These pads leave delicate skin surrounding the eyes soothed and radiant. I may give that a go tonight. I'm not. Do I have huge bags under my eyes? Y'all be honest with me, okay? I've never thought that I've had bags. I mean, I get dark rings, but as far as puffy eyes, I've never, well, up here, just ignore that though, but down here. All right, next item. So crazy. I am me to the fullest right now. Which, after a certain time of day, usually around 10 to 11 at night, is when my brain absolutely just shuts down and nothing makes sense. Well, that's happening now, and it's a bit early for me. But like I said, it's been a long day. I woke up, I don't know, I went to bed probably around midnight last night, but I was up by like 6:30 this morning. Up and around, actually ate a bowl of cereal at 7 because I don't ever eat breakfast, so that was really wild. But anyway, you don't need nothing. But anyway, I'm already dead today. My brain has just died. Okay, LMS. I have no idea where this cut off. LMS. This is probably a $25 value. It says 19 pounds and 10 cents. I'm just trying to equate what it would be for US. Formulated to provide continuous hydration, this day cream keeps the complexion soft and supple, designed for normal to combination skin. This moisturizer contains meadowsweet extract to regulate oil production and hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture. And I don't know, you can't, oh, I'm holding it upside down for one thing. There, LMS, okay. All right, also down here we have the aroma, that's what I'm smelling, the Aromatherapy Associates London. This is Revive. It's a body gel, 12 pounds. Refresh the body and mind with this invigorating gel treatment infused with grapefruit, rosemary, and juniper essential oils. I'm smelling the juniper because I can smell the sort of pine-like smell. It's really nice because I love the mountains and the scent of pine and juniper. Now I lost my thought. Okay, juniper essential oils. Stimulates circulation and reduces fluid retention, leaving skin soft and supple, perfect for the summer months. This quick drying gel cools the skin upon application. So that's another one. I'm excited about that. Okay, then I still have two more things. Here's a brand that I love. This is and I'm probably not pronouncing it right, Noabe. Noabe. This is a full-size bottle. Most of this stuff is, a lot of it's, well, and this may not be full-size, I'm just guessing that it is. But these are luxury sample sizes. In other words, they're bigger than normal sample. But that is a pretty big bottle. I mean, that's taking my hand. This is 6.75 fluid ounces, 200 mils. Okay, this is, oh, again, for removing stuff. This is a illuminating micellar, no, it's not cell, it's cellular water. It's 11 pounds. Purify, prepare, and cleanse the skin with this natural micellar water, enhanced with green tea to protect against environmental pollutions and aloe vera to rehydrate and soothe. This micellar water is suitable for all skin types. So yeah, that's pretty cool, because I do believe this is makeup remover. It's in a foreign language, so I can't read it. And no, it's not in British, okay, if that's what you were thinking. No, I just killed myself. This is, I don't even know what language. I don't even see English on here anywhere. I see Greek on here for sure. I see aqua, and that's probably Spanish. Okay, then I have another item here. Okay, everyone, I am back. My card ran full. I think this is the third color lips now that I've had on. I know the eye look hasn't changed. My eye keeps watering and I keep getting mascara up underneath here, so anyway, it is what it is. It is going to be what it's going to be. I think I say that quite often, didn't I? In other words, it's out of my control at the moment. Okay, so back to my Lookfantastic Beauty Box. I think there was only one item left that I came to, and that was the Ico Fat Eye Stick, and I couldn't find the color. Mine is in Gilt. So, okay, my hand is all icky now because it didn't all come off. So, let's see. We'll put this on my palm. Gilt is like a gold color. So I'll have to use that. I'll have to see. Fat Eye Stick, I'm not sure what I'll do with it. Create intense color and glossy finish with the Ico Fat Eye Stick. Accentuate the eyes with this chubby crayon that delivers long wearing and highly pigmented color with an easy to use twist up design, which I did, and it's got about that much product down in it, which was pretty good. The jumbo pencils glide onto the eyes without tugging or dragging. Okay, so that is it. There's an article, 10 Minutes with Jamie Rockers, and they ask her some questions about her blog. Maintain your youthful complexion. Use richer, nourishing cleansers. Number 1. 2. Layer moisture. 3. Always wear SPF. 4. Don't neglect the collectage. Okay, not getting the line there. And try retinol. Okay, it also has a little article on hyaluronic acid there. I keep doing that with my finger, and I don't know why. You don't have to. Glowy skin. She is so pretty. And hydration for your skin type. Just this in itself is a little mini magazine. That's not including the Elle magazine that you get in here, Flight Hydration Guide. So it gives you a guide for that. And then I've already showed y'all the sneak peek for August, which is 26 pounds for this Luxie 737 tapered highlighting brush. $26.50. I'm gonna say that's probably around $30 for us, because pounds is more than the dollar. Anyway, so yeah, let me know what you think. I love my Lookfantastic. Y'all know that I love my Lookfantastic boxes because they are very sturdy and they're great for storage boxes. You can use card making paper and cover the lid. You can do almost anything with these. I love it. I've got a whole stack because like I said, I've kept all my